Now, tragedy has struck the picturesque Kishtwar region of Jammu and Kashmir, a region now gripped by grief, chaos, and an urgent race against time. At least 60 people have been confirmed dead and at least 100 injured, and nearly 500 still missing after nature unleashed its fury. What was once a quiet district is now ground zero for one of the worst disasters in recent years. Well, on this, we have my colleague Shreya joining us from the location. Shreya, I wish to understand from you, like, how exactly are the rescue operations looking like in the area?
Well, of course, we have entered the Jashoti village, which witnessed the catastrophic flooding that resulted in the death of at least 60 people. 22 people have been rescued so far. 21 of them have been identified with the help of their Aadhaar cards and mobile numbers. And so far, 80 people are still looking for their missing family members. And let me tell you, out of those 22 people who have been recovered, rescued, 10 of them are from Jammu, and one such victim is a resident of New Delhi. Right now, we are on our way towards the spot of complete destruction. But of course, you can see these army vehicles, they are stuck here due to some fuel issues. But I also want to show you how this entire scenic view of Joshiti village now, which is now completely marred with a trail of destruction, death and devastation. If I show you, this is the Kundel river here, and right next to it, you can see this is a Paddar Valley that I'm showing you right now in Kishtwar district, and right there you can see so many small houses, and this is something that needs to be highlighted, that in Jashoti village, which is one of the most remote villages in Kishtwar district, it is heavily it's densely populated, because so many of these small houses, makeshift tents, community kitchens, guest houses have sort of opened up, and of course no environmental assessment or anything has been done to see if these are safe enough, for people to stay alongside these ecologically vulnerable Himalayan region. So yesterday we saw, intensified rescue operation taking place. 22 people, bodies have been recovered. Today also we will see, earlier this 30-meter span bridge that was completely washed away. So a new bridge will be constructed today, and the preparation is underway for that. And also yesterday we saw, the rock blasting, because still a lot of bodies are, buried under those large, boulders, which are extremely difficult to remove by the JCB. So yesterday we saw the authorities, blasting those massive rocks to find bodies which are buried under those boulders. So we are 3 kilometers away from the spot, but this is the Jashodi village, which I'm showing you right now. It is very difficult and distressing for the people who are still looking for their missing, family members. We spoke to several of them yesterday, and it is very difficult for them to communicate with the local authorities to identify their loved ones, because it is a very remote village and there is no network here. So this is the situation that I am showing you from Jashoti village, and we will keep giving you more updates as we reach the spot. Back to you.